Okay guys, so I'll show you a strategy that works very well on any pair you want to trade. The only thing you need to do for me is to get a trending market. Okay, look for a trending market. As you can see, all these ones, they are trending. Look for a trending market. Okay, just look for a trending market for me, then apply this strategy. You are going to see it work out like crazily. You're going to see it work out with very high win rates. Okay, so let's see how this works. You can see at this point I took this trade here. Once the price got to the moving average, this moving average you are seeing, this indicator you are seeing here, price got to it and I took this trade, and you can see how it has been doing well. But it came down, gave me a little drawdown, I took more trades. That was more opportunity for me to even buy cheaper. So you can see this is amazing. This is massive. This is massive already. So the same thing here. You can see I also took the trade there when it was coming here. So you can see it also hit take profits. Look at this one also. I took trades here also when price got to the moving average. Even here I took multiple trades here, and you can see also closed in profit. The same thing keeps happening every now and again. When price got here, you can see pushed up. When it got to the same indicator, also pushed up. That is exactly how it happens every now and again. It came here also on the indicator. This one would have given a little drawdown, but if you continue holding, it will still give you profits. Came up, touched it again, and pushed up. You can see this was massive profits. So that's exactly what happens every now and again. Whenever you see price come to this indicator like this, it is most likely going to start pushing up. Okay, if it's trading below it, wait for it to retrace again to the moving average. You can see how it dropped, retraced again and dropped. That's how it actually works, guys. You just need to get a trending market. Just look for a trending market and understand the direction of the market. 15 minutes time frame is good for you to know the direction of the market if you are using this strategy. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this was an uptrend. That's why it has been working very well for me. If you go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can also see that this has been an uptrend also. It has more of an uptrend on the 5 minutes time frame. So when you now scale down to your 1 minute time frame, which is your execution time frame, you can see how it has working out very well. So price came here and I took my buys, made profit. I saw that price continued trading above it, so I also took my buy here again, made profit. I waited for price to come back again. When price came back on it, I took these multiple trades. They dropped lower. I also took more trade, and then you can see this massive profit. So that's just how it works. Now let me show you the setting for this indicator. It's so simple. Just need to get your moving average, and then this is the setting exactly as you see here. Period is 50. Method is exponential. Apply to close. All time frames and everything. That's just exactly the way you see it here. And then click done. You have here, can choose any color of your choice, right? That's just all about this strategy. You can see I just got funded on Funded Next using this same strategy. I passed my phase 1 and phase 2 evaluation and got funded. Try it out and see how it works well. Go and backtest it. It works on any pair. Backtest it and let me know your experience in the comment box. Now check the description box. You see a link to my Telegram channel where you can trade my signals and chart setups, and also reach me directly for mentorship, account management, and free signals actually. Alright, so that's just it. If you found value in this video, please smash the like button. This is the Alpha Trade saying it can only get better. Bye.